Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look on a client, but before we jump right into this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I just finished doing her eyebrows off camera, but all I'm doing right now is just concealing it and just making sure that I blend the concealer down. Okay guys, so I have a hair tie on my hand, but I completely forgot that was there, so just ignore that. And I was just applying this orange shade from James palette, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer corners of her eyes and just blend it out. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go in with a dark brown shade, and I want to use a small brush so that I could only apply in the areas that I want. Then you want to go in with a fluffy brush and just make sure that you really blend that shade out. Okay, so after cutting the crease and just making sure that I blend everything out, I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow shade to do my eyeliner. The reason for this is because I want to blend it out and I kind of want to have like a little smoky eyeliner look, but yeah. Now that I'm going to be doing her base, first you want to make sure that you moisturize your skin, prime it, and then when you're doing your foundation, make sure that you start with just a small amount and build your way up. But yeah, like that's my technique. I don't really like putting a lot of foundation on the face and then trying to blend it out. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be doing her concealer. For concealer, I let it sit for about 2 minutes and then I went ahead to blend it out. When I was blending it, I used a brush and a sponge, but all the brushes that I used are going to be in the description down below in the exact same order. Okay, so we're almost done with the base. All I'm going to do right now is just set her face using a setting powder. All I'm going to be doing right now is just applying the dark brown shade under her eyes and blending it out. To finish up this look, I'm just going to be bronzing her face and adding some blush. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you leave a like and a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.